how to make Google Drive folder accessible to everyone. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Google Drive folder accessible to everyone. Now to do so, you will first need to open your Chrome browser on your device. Now once you have opened your Chrome browser, at the top right, you will find this dotted icon that says Google Apps. Click on this icon and you will be presented with various other icons. Here you will need to click on this Drive icon just below the Submit icon. Once you click on this Drive icon, now you will be taken to your Google Drive. Here locate the folder that you would like to give access to everyone. Once you locate the folder, now right-click on it, or you may also click on these three dots at the right side of that folder. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this menu. From here you can find Share option. Click on this option and at the right side you will find two different options. Again click on this Share option and you will be presented with this dialog box. Here under General Access, you will find the Restricted option. Currently, this folder is restricted. Click on this option and you will be presented with this menu. Here you will find Anyone with the Link option. Click on this option and once you click on it, at the right side, you will find the Level of Access. Here you can click on it and choose the level of access you would like to give to that person. You will find three different options here: Viewer, Commenter and Editor. Viewer can view the file but cannot make any changes, whereas commenter can view and comment on the file but couldn't make any changes, while editor can view, comment and edit the file. You can choose one of them based on your preference. Once you have chosen it, at the bottom you will find Copy Link option. Now click on this Copy Link option to copy the shareable link. Once you have done that, click on this Done button. Now you can share this copied link with anyone you want to have access to this folder. So by following these steps, your Google file will be now accessible to everyone with the link according to the permissions you have set. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.